This week, my expectation at the markets is what I'm here to share with you, okay? And also to throw light on certain things that you should look out for when you are trading your forex market this week, okay? So last 2 weeks, I did my last video before this one. I did some forecast on GBP USD card, and AUD CHF. Okay, all right. So I took the three trades that week. That is last 2 weeks. I took three trades, and one hit TP fully, and the other two took me out of break even. That is the one that I was able to take at TP was this one. Okay, this one was able to. It take a while. Actually, TP got hit within this week, which I wasn't because I was having this trade and the network too wasn't good. I didn't actually take any other trade because I was expecting this one to hit TP or hit stop loss, as you can see. So I was waiting for this market to break above this resistance, small resistance level for me to break even. Okay, so at all these points I didn't break even. Market went up, come down, went up. All these places I didn't break even, so I waited for it to break. So as soon as a candle closes above, that is when I move my stop loss to break even on AUD But also one thing that I consider is mostly when I'm risking 40 pip or 30 pip, I expect the market to come like uh should give me 40 pips in profit. Then I will move my or stop loss into break even. Okay, so with that much said, let's look at the other two pairs that I analyzed last week. But before we do that, let me give you my expectation on this pair again, as the markets has closed last Friday. Actually, I'm expecting this market to pull all the way to this resistance level because as you can see, the weekly is bearish though, but if you check the weekly correctly, you could see that it's reacting to a previous supply level. Okay, so this one I am analyzing this based on the daily and the 4 hour. The daily is telling me bullish and the 4 hour is telling me bullish. So when I take my Fibonacci as well, you could see that this resistance level has aligned with what 0.61 Fibonacci level. So I'm expecting a pull all the way this momentum to reduce somewhere here, and I will be considering a buy position upon my entry confirmations. Okay, so that is my take on the AUD. Okay, guys. So that is it. Let's look at other pairs as well. Let's look at other pairs. As I said last week, I I did analysis on AED as well. As you can see, this trade actually, I did analysis. I was expecting a buy somewhere here, but when this major pull to the downside happened and rejected, I went all the way to the lower time frame. I think that was 30 minutes or 15 minutes, uh, 30 minutes time frame to look for an entry. Okay, I think, yeah, if I could remember correctly, I saw my entry on the, yeah, as you can see, it was the 30-minute time frame that I saw my entry. I spotted my entry. So as I saw this rejection on the 30-minute time frame, then I saw this engulfing candle. I quickly entered on the next candle. Okay, risking 40 pip as expected. So this market went all the way, gave me 40 pip, as you can see, 40 pip. So at 40 pip, that was when I broke even. I moved my stop loss to break even. So this market has given me this. So as I break even, I was expecting this market to what? Buy as expected, but it did not happen like that. We do not control the market. Markets makers are there. So as I break even, I was expecting this market to close above this candle at this psychological level, but it all keep closing below it. Then all of a sudden, we have this bullish engulfing candle closing above it, which I thought I will this market to buy all the way to the upside. Okay, so at 40 people, as I said, I already broke even. So I was expecting this market to push all the way to the top here, then all of a sudden keep dropping and took me out at a stop loss, at break even. Sorry, it took me out at a break even. So as you know, my expectation on GU is that this is a major daily trend line which got broken to the downside. Okay, got broken to the downside. So what do I expect? I expect a pullback to this support level, this resistance level, which is also a daily supply level. So I'm expecting a pullback to that region for a sell position. Okay, a sell to this region. Okay, so you could also consider that in your trade as well. Remember, if I mark out this point, it does not necessarily mean that as the market comes, I'll then just jump into it. No. What I do is at times market can pull all the way to somewhere here, then give me a replacement. Okay. So the trade that I took over here, I'll put a screenshot somewhere on the distance on the screen so that you see where I was able to call this trade, and the USD card as well. I call that one also at the tip, but they both took me at break even. Okay, I got the trade reversed and it took me out at a break even. So this one too, I caught it somewhere above here. Okay, caught it somewhere above here, and it also ran all the way into almost like that is 21 pip, because this one I was risking 30 pip if I could remember correctly. Yes, I was risking 30 pips. So this one I lost this trade because I was expecting this market to push a little bit to the downside, and when it pushed this engulfing candle that happened over here, I was confident that this market is going to push all the way to the downside. So I left this trade to play out, but all of a sudden trade has reversed. There was a news, then got me out at 30 pip stop loss. All right, so it's part of the game. As you know, the AUD has given me 1:2 risk to reward, which I've lost 30 pip here and make 80 pip on that trade, and GU has taken me at a break even, meaning I've bagged out 40 pips profit that week. But last week I didn't take any trade because of my network, our country network issues, the previous trade that I took. So this week, what I'm expecting is my focus is on AUD. You can consider that in your trade, and I'm also looking at Euro JPY for a buy position from this angle. All the direction is pointing bullish. Weekly, daily, and the 4 hour is telling me bullish. So I'm looking for possible buy position. And when you take a Fibonacci level from the bottom here all the way to the top, you can see that we align with 0.5 Fibonacci level. So next week, Monday, I will be looking for, or next week, I'll be looking for a buy position from this angle for AUD, Euro JPY, Euro JPY, and also USD JPY. I will also be looking for a buy position. We'll expect this trade to pull a little bit back for buy position. Okay, so that is my take on these trades. I'm looking at ADCHF, Euro JPY, GBP USD, and USD JPY. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.